guys, this is Mindset Successful Coach Nadia, and just making a video for you all. I just want to mention about Wesley Virgin's monetization program that's going on right now. If you are participating with Wesley Virgin's courses, and if you are part of this group, guys, you got to sign up with the YouTube subscribers program, because this program is going to actually help you grow your YouTube channel. Right now, our group is really small, but I'm going to show you guys the results. All right, my goal for me is to get my 4,000 watch time hours. I want to get my 1,000 subscribers, and this program actually is going to help you get there. I'm going to show you guys my progress right now. So I'm going to click onto my YouTube channel. All right, and I am going to go to my vidIQ here and show you my results. Okay guys, look at this. Last month I had 1,617 minutes watched last month. Now, together with the group, we do this every day. We watch each other's videos, we comment on each other's videos, and we like each other's videos. And now look at, I have 12,834 minutes watched this month. Compared to last month, it's only 1,000. I have gained subscribers, guys. I think when I first started this program, I only had I think I have just 14 subscribers. Now I have 41 subscribers. Okay, my videos here, my views. Last month was 1,477 views last month, and then look at this, views this month, 6,746 views. Now this is the vidIQ. When you join the monetization program with Wesley Virgin, you have to register for vidIQ. Okay, so you can track your results. But this is an excellent program. Just want to share with you guys. If you've never been in business for yourself, if you never started an online business and would like to start an online business, the best coach right now for this year, 2020, is Wesley Virgin. Wesley Virgin has actually changed my life, and I ask that you guys would take a look at this program, because you're going to excel and you will become a millionaire one day. Remember, Wesley Virgin has already created millionaires. So if you so desire a life-changing lifestyle, you need to join his courses. All right, take care, guys. Bye.